my name's Isaac, and these are my custom-made LEGO Justice League costumes. So the costumes themselves are primarily made of cardboard. However, there's also pool noodles, vinyl wrap, the kind that you put on cars. There's a little bit of sewing with the cape, and I also learned how to craft with EVA foam. That's how I made the hair for Wonder Woman and Superman. Also, something I think is pretty cool, no pun intended, is each of the costumes have built-in USB-powered fans, which helps with cooling. So you might be wondering how this all got started. Well, 8 years ago, I set out to create a LEGO costume, and I really wasn't sure how to go about it until I came across these guys called the Block Guys. Now, I don't know if they're still active or not. It looks like they haven't been active in quite a little bit. But I was really inspired by this particular style of LEGO costume, mostly because of the mobility. So I got to work creating my own version. Then, not long after that, the LEGO Batman movie came out, and I thought it would be a good idea to create a costume inspired by that. Well, that was 6 years ago, and one day I realized that this costume was just sitting in the corner collecting dust, so shortly after, I brought it to Comic-Con, and it was a huge hit. So then I thought, man, what if I made another one? So I did. Enter LEGO Flash. Now that was a lot of fun. My brother and I wore these costumes to multiple conventions, and man, did a lot of people like them. But yeah, so after seeing just how well received those costumes were, I then thought to myself, what if I made another one? So, instead of just making one like any sane person would do, I made 2 costumes at the same time, which in hindsight was a lot more work than I was expecting, but I still was able to pull it off in just under 3 months. And so now I present to you the LEGO Justice League. I'm really looking forward to bringing these to Comic-Cons, fundraisers, charity events, all that good stuff in the future, and just making people smile and remember that inner child in themselves, because honestly, there's not enough of that these days. There's some wholesomeness that we can contribute to the world, so that's what I'm hoping to do with these. I'm the Bat Brick. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.